Selling, just want to show you now here this land that I told you probably you're gonna give us. Now it's raining, and the temperature is quite low, a bit low here, I think. Yeah, probably somewhere at 23, 24 degrees Celsius. It is raining now. Okay, Selling.